Hey Scotty, where are we at? Where are we at?
Up there, go up there.
You want me to go up there? We gotta tell everyone where we're at first.
Say Ghost Town.
Ghost Town.
Ghost Town? Are we at a ghost town? Yeah, so we're at
Did you see the bang bang?
Calico Ghost Town in Barstow. So we came here after Sawtooth Canyon. It is a campground that has options. So you can either have full hookup, so you have sewer, electric, water, or you can have electric hookup. We went here to the electric. We didn't want full hookup, and plus being here at the electric spot, it's more open, so you can see there's people sporadically over there. It is really windy, so hopefully you guys can hear us. And then there's people over there, and then the actual ghost town is right up and over this hill right here, so we can either go walk, or it's a little far walk, but we can also just drive like 2-3 minutes. So it's a cool place. It is what, $45 a night total. We spent $90 on 2 nights. So we just came back from Sawtooth, which was completely free, so I figured it's okay, we can splurge a little bit and go hang out at the ghost town. Alright, now here I am up at the top of the little hill right by our rig. There's Scotty and Scott down there. As like I said, you can see the ghost town is right over there. Here's the electric spots, and then you can see the non-electric, non-hookup, nothing. There's a mountain biker right there. So come around. There's some more spots over here. So far so cool. Check it out. a funny rookie mistake for you. Scott went for a run, and then Scotty and I were out here hanging out at camp, and he was being a bad boy. So I put him in the rig for timeout, and I closed the door. Well, I believe he locked the door. I couldn't get in. So I panicked for a split second because Scotty's in there screaming with the dog. Scott's out for a run. I had no phone on me, but luckily I had our windows open right here, and on the other side it's an emergency exit window, so I can easily pull the window all the way open. So I was able to pop the screen out and pull it all the way open. But funny thing is, I could have easily got in the whole time because the keys to the rig were in Scott's truck, and Scott's truck was unlocked. So fun stuff. Always keep your keys on you, I guess. If you have a toddler and you try to put them on timeout in the rig, he may lock you out, or at least have a window open. Or hide a key. We may have to do that now. So.
Made it to the top. Looks like not the moon, looks like Mars. This is where I came up from. Came up this trail. Down over there. Should have gone up to the satellite. The antenna. Guys off-roading down there. Bunch of caves, the same spot. A lot of off-road areas. So I went back down, came up this trail, heading up that way, but then came upon this. This is scary. Man, if you fell in there, you'd be gone. I cannot see bottom. A good 100 feet down. It's kind of sketchy. Whew. No thanks. Stay away from that. In the middle of nowhere. Well, on the backside of Calico Ghost Town. Not too much. A little. That's obviously man-made. Guys must have been camping out here, digging in the dirt. I think he pooped.
Did you smell it? Do you want to stop?
I can.
Alright, time to close out the video. First off, happy birthday, Dada! It's his birthday! And it's Memorial Day!
Happy Memorial Day!
And we're on the road heading home. We just left Calico Ghost Town campground, which was pretty cool. We went and checked out a bunch of the attractions at the ghost town, hung out at camp. The only thing that kind of sucked about this trip was that it was really cold and windy, and we even got some rain yesterday and last night. So it really wasn't that enjoyable to hang out outside the camp. But we still did. Scotty met some little friends next door to us, so we got to play. So that was fun, and the campground was good. There was luckily no one too close, like right on top of us. The spots are really close to each other, but that's what you get with the electric, and some of them were, like the full hookup spots were jam-packed with people like side by side. So glad we didn't do full hookups. We just went and got electric, which was nice because then we can watch TV without having the generator on. Other than that, it was a good trip. We'll be back probably when Scotty's a little older, like 5, 6, 7, 8, when he can really understand all the attractions at the ghost town. He's still a little too young, obviously, but it was cool that we got to actually go check it out. Scoped out the campground, so now we know next time we come. And yeah, that's about it.
Bring a razor.
Bring a razor?
Or a quad.
Oh yeah, this place is known for their off-roading. So there are a bunch of Jeeps, a whole bunch of different Jeeps there going off-roading, dirt bike riding. I saw a couple mountain bikers. Scott went on a trail run, so there's a lot of trails around. But yeah, it was cool. It was good.
What do you think, Scotty?
Scotty, what do you think?
Yeah.
Did you want to stay in the rig? Did you go poo-poo? Is there poo-poo in your pants right now? Pants. Alright, can you tell everybody bye? Say see you next time. Wave at the camera and say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you next time.
Next time.
Good boy. Marla's sleeping. Alright, see you guys later on the next trip.